Welcome to our Seller Fulfillment Best Practices training. When you sell in the Amazon store, you must comply with all applicable laws and Amazon policies, as well as the Seller Code of Conduct. In our Seller Code of Conduct, we require sellers to fulfill all confirmed orders and provide accurate shipping information to customers. To ensure this, we recommend that you follow a few best practices to avoid unexpected issues. Firstly, when listing your products, ensure that you always provide accurate information, including the price and quantity of the product that you have available, and set the correct quantity of product that you have available on the Manage Inventory page's Available column in Seller Central. To go to the Manage Inventory page, select Inventory from the navigation menu in Seller Central and choose Manage Inventory. Next, when shipping your product, ensure that the package contains the correct product and is labelled with the correct shipping address. Confirm that the estimated delivery date is valid. We highly recommend that you use a credible shipping carrier that provides tracking information so customers can check the status of their order. Finally, be sure to confirm order shipment when the package is dropped off or picked up by the carrier and when a valid tracking ID is available. Next, provide excellent customer service by ensuring that you respond to all customer questions or concerns with accurate information and provide proper solutions in a timely manner. Finally, always be aware of external factors that may impact your order fulfillment capability, such as supply chain issues, policy changes, or extreme weather conditions. Remember, it's important to ensure that you stay compliant with Amazon's Seller Code of Conduct. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.